Je me baladais sur l'avenue, le cœur ouvert à l'inconnu. J'avais envie de dire bonjour à n'importe qui, et ce fut toi. Je t'ai dit n'importe quoi, il suffisait de te parler
Bonjour.
pour t'apprivoiser. Oh, Champs-Élysées,
아메리카
Bonjour.
oh,
Champs-Élysées.
Au soleil, sous la pluie, à midi ou à minuit, il y a tout ce que vous voulez aux Champs-Élysées. Tu m'as dit j'ai rendez-vous dans un sous-sol avec des fous qui vivent la guitare à la main du soir au matin. Alors je t'ai accompagné, on a chanté, on a dansé et l'on n'a même pas pensé à s'embrasser. Oh Champs-Élysées, oh Champs-Élysées, au soleil, sous la pluie, à midi ou à minuit, il y a tout ce que vous voulez aux Champs-Élysées. Hier soir, deux inconnus, et ce matin sur l'avenue, deux amoureux tout étourdis par la longue nuit.
How can you see into my eyes like open doors, leading you down into my core, where I've become so numb?
un quart sur la main, il est tard. Les filles ont dansé pour toi, pour te consoler le roi. Et si tu dors seul ce soir parmi leurs pleurs d'aurore, et si tu me laisses dans tes bras, je t'attends. Boulevard Saint-Laurent. On s'est vu deux par deux. Je sais, tu es pris amoureux, mais j'ai tant dansé pour toi, pour te gagner mon roi. Et si tu dors seul ce soir parmi leurs fleurs d'aurore, et si tu me laisses dans tes bras, je t'attends. Boulevard Saint-Laurent. Et si tu dors seul ce soir parmi leurs fleurs d'aurore, et si tu me laisses dans tes bras, je t'attends. Boulevard Saint-Laurent.
Je n'avais jamais ôté mon chapeau devant personne. Maintenant je rampe et je fais le beau quand elle me sonne. J'étais chien méchant, elle me fait manger dans sa menette. J'avais des dents de loup, je les ai changées pour des quenottes. Je me suis fait tout petit devant une poupée qui ferme les yeux quand on la couche. Je me suis fait tout petit devant une poupée qui fait maman quand on la touche. J'étais dur à cuire, elle m'a converti, la fine mouche. Et je suis tombé tout chaud, tout rôti contre sa bouche, qui a des dents de lait quand elle sourit, quand elle chante, et des dents de loup quand elle est furie, qu'elle est méchante. Je me suis fait tout petit devant une poupée qui ferme les yeux quand on la couche. Je me suis fait tout petit devant une poupée qui fait maman quand on la touche. Tous les somnambules, tous les mages m'ont dit sans malice, quand ses bras en croix je subirai mon dernier supplice. Il en est de pire, il en est de meilleur, mais à tout prendre, qu'on se pende ici, qu'on se pende ailleurs, s'il faut se pendre. Je me suis fait tout petit devant une poupée qui ferme les yeux quand on la touche. Je me suis fait tout petit devant une poupée qui fait maman quand on la touche.
Great. So we are now first going to give you a panoramic tour so that I am able to show you the outskirts of the old town. It was the capital of a German province named the Alsace-Lorraine between 1870 to 1918, and at that time the Germans have wanted to give the city the size and the comfort of a real capital. So the largest public park in the city, named after 140 small orange trees in pots, which were confiscated.
Ang lalaki ng kwan, no? Wow.
Yeah, I can hear rumors from the back of the bus. Yes. Actually, yeah. Can you please have a look on the left-hand side, because between February, when the storks come back from the winter migration, storks are not stupid. Why should they stay here in the winter time? As soon as the storklings are able to fly in August, all the family flies on holiday to Mali, Central Africa. This is the beginning of the European district. So I will tell you more about the history, but you know, I think a few things already. But Strasbourg, due to the history, is one of the capitals of Europe. What you can see ahead of you to the left, this big square building showing the strength of the union of the European countries. This is the European Court of Human Rights. It means that it's the Court of Justice of the Council of Europe. So the Council of Europe, as I said before, has got today 46 member countries, which means that almost all the European countries, court here at the European Court of Human Rights, in which you have 46 judges, one for each member country. And what do they treat here? What cases? They treat cases. This is the Parliament of the EU. Look at the flags. You see the flags? And this is the entrance of the building. You see the tower? On the top, the tower looks non-completed.
Yeah.
To show that you can still go in, but you can also go out. Not to give one country the whole power. That was the lesson of World War II. So why is this city a European capital? Together with Geneva, Switzerland, for example, and New York, you have the Rhine. So you are in the city at the crossroads. And sorry, just a quick bracket here. At the end of the 10th century, this area became a part of what I should name, and I'm sure you heard of it so much. Strasbourg, which was a city-state, decides not to fight. They surrender, and we become a French city for 200 years. And until the Franco-Prussian War, the new city, the Neustadt, built when Strasbourg was the capital of the German Alsace-Lorraine. So I just remind you that everything here was built between 1880 to 1958 to replace a previous synagogue which was built in another section of the city, in the country. So now look at these 5 official buildings showing that Strasbourg was the capital of the German Alsace-Lorraine. Take a look on the right-hand side. There's a tiny house. Yes, to the right, look at this. Built in 1880. The balcony to the right, under you have an eagle with open wings, symbol of the Hohenzollern family, the family of the last. And in the middle of the square, a pieta, a white statue. It's here to the left. Oh, look, the magnolias are blooming as well. To the left, you see the white statue?
Yeah.
Okay. Which shows a mother with 2 boys of her in her arms. Yes. But they don't have a uniform because she doesn't care whether one has died for the Germans and one for the French. They're still her boys.
Ganda sanang bababa.
Here behind us on the right, it used to be the ancient Parliament of Alsace-Lorraine. Don't miss the view on the left. Don't miss the view on the left. You see the tiny house I mentioned before. Of course, am I ironic? Yeah. And that was the residence of the Kaiser, of the German Emperor. When you had to come to Strasbourg, that was his home. Going on the Cathedral Square anyway. It will be here to the left-hand side for 2 seconds, way back above the trees, you see? To the left.
Over there.
Beautiful view.
Ah,
And the last building is here to the right, this new Baroque. This was the Ministry of the Lorraine, and it's where we pay our taxes today. So can you imagine that Republic Square? And then you see to the left-hand side, you have the northern arm of the River Hill. And as soon as we cross this northern arm of the River Hill, this will be the
Comme d'habitude on est calé, comme toujours ça va aller. On te met l'ambiance à gogo, tous ensemble on fait le show. On t'invite à la magie, y a pas de raccourci. Oublie tes soucis, c'est bien faire la folie. On t'invite à la magie, y a pas de raccourci. Oublie tes soucis. Oh, 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 oh. C'est pas seulement pour les bobos, nous on vient dans nos mambo. Mon ami, si tu as le niveau, rejoins-nous pour t'enjailler. On t'invite à la magie, y a pas de raccourci. Oublie tes soucis et viens faire la folie. On t'invite à la magie, y a pas de raccourci. Oublie tes soucis. Oh, 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 oh.
Bilhan mo ako niyan. Bilhan mo ako niyan, Hermes. I know.
Ah ouais, Magic System.
Toujours nous.
Ah, ça change pas.
Ah ouais.
Ah, Shawky avec Red One. Est-ce que ça marche? Ça va pas.